Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, making sure they are at room temperature for the best results. Preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit is crucial for even baking. Then, line your cupcake tin with paper liners. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process and delicious cupcakes every time. Now, let's get to mixing. First, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cupcakes tender. Next, beat in the eggs one by one, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding the dry and wet ingredients, mixing until just combined to avoid overmixing. It's time to bake. Carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full. This leaves room for them to rise beautifully without spilling over. Place the tin in your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before frosting. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, it's time for the fun part: frosting. Whether you prefer a rich buttercream or a tangy cream cheese frosting, apply it generously. You can use a piping bag for fancy swirls or a simple offset spatula for a rustic look. These homemade treats are perfect for any occasion. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.